What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Curtis, and today we're out here in the Ehrenberg Sand Dunes. This is going to be like the overland trip to King of the Hammers. First stop is Ehrenberg Sand Dunes. We're out here by ourselves, so let's hope we don't get stuck, but we're going to have some fun out here. Got some cool stuff coming. We're headed out to DV8 tomorrow to get some new parts, so stick around for that. But yeah, let's hit the trail and get into some sand. Just air down the tires at 15 PSI and ready to rip. No, not the drone. No. All right, guys, not gonna lie, I'm having trouble finding some camp spot over here. I want to get a view of the sand dune area before I go to bed, but can't find shit. And there's like that one sand area, and then the rest is kind of just like big mountains and stuff. So let's hope we can find a camp spot. I'm not really sure if I'll be able to find one. My only problem is I found one, but there's a homeless dude over there, so I really want to camp over there by the homeless guy. Yeah, it's him and his dog. I don't know if I trust that, but we're trying here. So tonight we're making some burgers on the cast iron. Normally when I do these solo trips, I kind of pack pretty light. All I really got for 4 days is some burgers and eggs and sausage. But I like packing a little bit lighter. I'm surprised that my diesel heater and everything in the back of my truck survived all those whoops that I did today. I was a little worried all the diesel fuel is gonna be just in my bed, just everywhere, but it held out. Like it's not a big mess back there, so that's a plus. I really don't think I'm gonna be able to really need the diesel heater these couple days. So tonight it's not gonna be cold. King of the Hammers shouldn't be that cold. Like I've slept in way colder with no diesel heaters, so I think I'm just gonna tough it out. I'm only gonna use it on special occasions, only when it's like me and Kate or somebody, you know, out here. But it's beautiful out here. So literally right there is California. You see that gas station thingy-majiggy? That's literally California on that side. So we're gonna wake up tomorrow, go to DV8. It's gonna be fun. We got some new parts coming for DV8, and I'm excited to show you guys. So we're gonna pick those up tomorrow. But tonight we're gonna make burgers and beers, and yeah, pretty much. We'll see. You know, it's wintertime, so the sun does go down pretty early, so I can't really hang out here very long. I can, but might as well just kick it in my Aspen Light. I've been loving this tent. It's one of my favorite tents ever, and I'm gonna keep the cover off, I think. I don't know yet, but it's just so much easier to open and close. It's just 4 latches and then she's up. So I think I'm gonna keep it that way. And yeah, I've been loving it. I don't even pump the air mattress up anymore. Like, it's just so comfy without the air mattress. I don't even need to. I can if I want to, but you know. And it's really nice. They do come with that. Once you buy a tent, it always comes with the air core, which I think is great for them. So the soft steps on the ladder, so nice. So nice. I'm super happy on how they feel when I walk up in the tent and everything. So yeah, the tent has been, it's been a dream come true. I love this thing so much. Also, if you guys are in the market for these tents, I don't have a coupon code. I'm not affiliated with anything, but they have some pretty cool, like, new tents coming out, which is pretty cool. I love the innovation. Everybody, you know, coming out with new shit all the time is awesome. I love that. So yeah, they have some tents for everybody, and I love it. I love it. Free spirit guy now. I love it. And also, never been to King of the Hammers in my life, so we'll see how this is. I'm not much of the party guy, I would have to say, but we'll see. I think Noe from DV8, one of the R&D guys, his buddy's bringing his daddy's RV, so we'll see. I'm probably going to camp one night for the experience. I brought some earplugs just in case. I don't know. It's supposed to be a big mayhem, so gotta check out this area. It's freaking crazy. It's crazy that, I mean, it is a Thursday, so not a lot of people here, but I've never really heard about this area before, and it's pretty fun for off-roading and stuff. I'd love to see like the nitty-gritty trails up in here. I probably won't do those ones because I was kind of driving by them and checking them out, and some of them are pretty insane, like super off-camber, like slide down the mountain type of deal. But whenever you look up videos on YouTube about this place, they're from like 12 years ago or 10 years ago. There's no like current videos out there on YouTube, at least. So I was a little worried about how it's going to be when I get here, but it's been fun and not a lot of people out here. I wonder why. Camping tonight out here too, so I'm a little worried. That homeless guy, he came walking down the mountain earlier, and then he came down halfway, and then he walked up it, and then went around the backside of the mountain. So I haven't seen him yet, but that kind of a little worried me. I only saw one homeless guy out here. So I think it's going to be an early night tonight, and I'll catch you guys up when I hop in the tent and talk to you guys a little bit more before I go to bed. Loving these new FSR steps, I would have to say. Check out that bird's eye view of California. That's like Blythe, California, I believe. But yeah, we're going to hop in the tent and maybe watch a movie or something. I don't know. We'll see how I feel. So we're up in the tent, and I I recently got this FSR heated blanket for Christmas, and I've been loving it. Kind of sleep underneath there, or sometimes throw it in the sleeping bag. But the built-in LEDs are pretty freaking sweet. Me and Kate love watching movies up here. It's pretty cool. And I might have parked slightly down 1 degree, so my head is down by the low end. I think I'm gonna go to bed, watch the movies, go to bed, and then I'll see you guys in the morning, and we're gonna rip around the dunes before we hit DV8. So let's get to it. All right, everybody, that's about it for this week's video. I'm gonna be back here in 4 days to rip around the dunes a little bit more. So you guys might see that on next video, but I'm going out to DV8 right now. We're gonna get some new parts installed, so stay tuned for next week. And if you guys like any of these Overland off-road videos, make sure to give me a like and a comment and a subscribe, especially subscribe. I'm trying to hit 5,000 by my birthday, so that would be awesome. I'm almost there, almost to 4,000, so I would really appreciate it. I'd really appreciate it if you guys did that for me. It's free. Just hit that like, comment, subscribe button. I appreciate it. And if you have any comments, throw it down in the comment section. I respond to every single one of you because you guys are my best friends. But right now we're headed out to Riverside. We got about like 3-hour drive. Of course, California traffic, so it's gonna be great. So I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out.